According to psychology, people who suppress their emotions over long periods often experience memory loss. This is a psychological response known as dissociative amnesia, why they walk into rooms and forget why they went there, not out of distraction, but emotional overload. Why entire chapters of childhood feel blurry, like they were watching their life happen from outside their body. Why they rewatch old videos or reread old texts just to remember what they were feeling back then. This isn't forgetfulness in the traditional sense. When emotional expression is consistently shut down due to environment, upbringing, or survival patterns, the brain rewires itself. If this sounds like you, our ebook goes even deeper. You will find it on our page. Emotions become coded as threats. Memory becomes collateral damage. In these cases, memory doesn't fail. It adapts. It protects. Restoring emotional connection isn't dramatic or immediate. It begins with presence, with letting the nervous system know it's safe to feel without shutting down. Why do some people feel like something is wrong even though everything seems fine? Psychology explains this as free-floating anxiety. When the brain keeps scanning for danger and when it can't find any, it creates a vague sense of unease instead. That sudden wave of sadness, the gut feeling, the drop in your stomach you can't explain. They stay awake at night, sometimes even cry, without any clear reason. This comes from living in prolonged states of stress. The body learns to expect something bad, so safety itself begins to feel unfamiliar. Calm doesn't register as peace, it registers as suspicious. It's not just in the head. It's the nervous system carrying the memory of times when things fell apart without warning. If this sounds like you, our ebook goes even deeper. You will find it on our page. That's why nothing feels wrong, and yet everything does. An unanswered message, a pause in conversation, even silence in a room. The mind interprets them not as neutral, but as warning. And so the person begins to live in anticipation of loss. They retreat, overthink, or become restless, not because something has happened, but because the body insists it will.